Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make image black and white in Photopea. Photopea is a free online application that we can use it for photo editing. We can go to this address to use Photopea for free. Now I go back to Photopea and then go to File folder. I have a colorful image and I click and drag into Photopea to open the image. And then if we want to make this image black and white, there are a few options in Photopea. The first option, we can go to layers and make sure that we select the layer that we want to make black and white color. And then we can go to image and adjustment. We can go to Desaturate. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+U to use Desaturate. I click it, and then the color is desaturated. I go back by using Ctrl+Z. The second option, we can go to image and adjustment. We can use Hue and Saturation. Click it, and then we can open the Hue and Saturation panel, and then we can reduce to -100 in saturation. So the image is changed to black and white. And then we can press OK to apply it. I press Ctrl+Z to undo it. Actually, we can find the hue and saturation in the adjustment layer. We can add the adjustment layer and choose the hue and saturation. So we can do the same thing to make -100 in saturation, but we can keep the layer so we can see before and after. Now I delete hue and saturation. The third option, we can use black and white. And then we can have more options to change the color. For example, I go back to origin. I want to adjust the blue color, so I make it visible and I adjust cyan. I want to make the blue color brighter. And also we can change the purple brighter. I use magenta to make it brighter and make the blue brighter. And also I change the red brighter. So this is a free way to make image black and white in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.